Hello traders, welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Running Forward. Today I want to talk to you about this stock, Lululemon. Um, what I have pulled up is the daily chart. We zoom in a little bit, you can see that this stock has created a higher low here, and the blue line is the 50 MA 200. This is the 200, the red line, 200. So on the 21st of October, this stock closed above 50, and then for the next 3 trading days, even though the indexes were very choppy, it was forming these small consolidating candles in a very tight range. And then yesterday, on the 27th, it tried to gap up, but then it closed down, but still it closed above 50 MA. So if we zoom out to, actually let's come to the weekly chart, and then we look to the left, we can see that, draw a line like this, we can see that there is some kind of support in this area, and this is where it has formed the latest bottom based on that support. So, and then if we are to look at our risk and reward ratio, let's put on some targets here using the quadrant line here. And then that tells us, actually, let's come to the daily chart. Daily chart, we can see that the first target is probably the recent high here. So if we measure that, that's about 14% for the first target. And then the second target will be to this 25%. And why I think that 25% is valid is because if we come back to the weekly chart, we can see that that's about the low here back in August of 2024. That's pretty point on for that resistance area. So if we look at that, that's about 23% plus potential gain. And then back to daily chart, and then our stop loss will be underneath, in my opinion, will be underneath these small candles here. So if we're getting here, somewhere here, that's about 3% risk for a potential double-digit gain. So if this one is not on your watch list, maybe consider putting it on. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purpose only. But what I would say too is that the market is pretty volatile right now, and then we have a lot of big techs earning coming up this week. So keep that in mind. We could see big movements within the day or within this week. So keep that in mind. But in terms of earnings for Lululemon, I think it doesn't report until early December. So on that, and we're good in terms of earnings. So this is what I want to share with you today. Hopefully you find some value in this video. Until next time, bye for now.